Do you find networking for your business is challenging? Do you find that networking is a waste of time? Do you think that networking might not even fit your personality? Well, if any of these questions resonate with you, join Jennifer Walker of Genuine Social and myself for a networking called Networking for Success Key Connector. And this event we're hosting at Collab Space on April 23rd, 2018 from 6:30 to 8:30 p.m. Tickets are available at eventbrite.ca and they will sell out. So the strongest business relationships can be formed through powerful networking. Many people, however, believe that networking just doesn't work for them. We firmly believe that anyone can network effectively and it can positively affects their business. We could show you how to do this. So becoming a key connector doesn't happen by accident. Regardless of your personality, it can be an effective networking and opportunity to build relationships to help you drive more business for your organization. So at this Key Connector workshop, we'll be touching on misconceptions in networking, essentials for networking success, how to choose the right networking event for you, and much more. So join us for Key Connector on April 23rd, 2018 from 6:30 to 8:30 p.m. at Collab Space.